Good morning, Sparky Sparks here. Sorry, I've been away for a little bit, just a minute. It is gorgeous here today. I am looking out of my window and the rain has stopped. The sun is coming up. I have a view of the lake, Lake Arrowhead, and it's just a gorgeous morning. I have my warmed up protein shake. I also enjoy Shakeology, and I put it in coffee and heat it up so it tastes like hot chocolate. Pause for a moment. Sip amongst yourselves. So I just wanted to hop on here. This is a new number for me. This is called Goddess in one of my all-time favorite shades, Hazelnut, but this is called Shaded. So I wondered what you think. I think I like the length. It's a little bit softer than the super short wigs for me, and I'm just loving it. Now it dawned on me, because I've had a challenging last couple of days, and I'm always reminded that we all have those. So even though my situations and my world seems chaotic at times, we all have those. Am I right? Yeah, I'm sure you've had them and maybe are in the tornado of life right now. This too will pass, as my mom would say. So I'm here to share with you that this too will pass. Hang in there, put your face on, put some gorgeous hair on, and join the day. It's not always easy. Yesterday I didn't take my own advice, but that's the option too. Take a day off, don't join the day. Dive into something else you love or something else you have to do. I know we're approaching tax time, and for many that's a challenging time to get all the paperwork together. Some have it organized, all year round, but I'm a little procrastinator when that comes around as well. So anyway, I just wanted to hop on here, remind you, you're an amazing person. Do your best, that's all you can do, and enjoy the day. Sip some protein, wear some hair, and just make it a great day. I'm checking on you, and I want you to have a great day too. So keep in touch. I love the comments. I love the notes. If you have any notes about how I'm videoing or hair, or I don't take offense. I love the comments. I love the input. I know some of you have favorites that I wear, and some have strong feelings about some of the hair I wear. Bring it all. I love it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.